Hey guys, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to close objects. Now this seems like a silly thing, but many times I'm drawing in Illustrator and things aren't closed up or the anchor points aren't joined together. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's really simple. And by the way, if you haven't joined my courses VIP class or group, not class, group, it's totally free. And you just go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I send a newsletter out every single week with access to videos, PDFs, all the free stuff so that you're the first to know about it. So make sure and join that group. It's pretty fun. Okay, so let's get started here. I'm on my paintbrush tool. I love my paintbrush tool. I use it a lot. We're gonna do something very simple. Now, most of you, especially if you take an Illustrator Academy or you're drawing for my fabric design class, you're trying to illustrate something. The problem is you'll be drawing something and like the little ends don't match up. Watch this. Okay, I'm just gonna draw a circle because that's simple. I am on purpose not closing it up, okay? But many of you will be drawing and it'll be something like, that or whatever. No worries. What we're gonna do is we're gonna select that item. You can come in, there are two ways to do this. That's why I drew two circles. So I'll show you the first way. The first way is to use your pencil. So come over to your pencil tool. It's usually under your shaper tool. Grab that pencil and you need to be touching on the line. So touch on the line on one side and you're gonna draw across and touch on the line on the other side. So here we go. Pull and it should sync up and close up, okay? Sometimes your drawing is gonna be so complicated, it's going to be a pain to do this. I know this from experience. You've got some complicated drawing, you're trying to find the ends of things, it won't go together, it's painful. So here's the other way to do it. I'm going to grab my selection tool and I'm gonna select on my second circle here. So we just need to go to Object, Path, Join. Now what this is gonna do, it's gonna find the two closest points on your selected item and it's going to bring them together. Here we go, join. Okay, so you saw how that joined right up. It might not be pretty, but then of course you can come in, you can clean it up with your reshape tool, you can clean it up with your smooth tool, you can clean it up with your pencil tool, all the things. But the point is you're trying to clean up all those loose ends. Now I'm not saying in every illustration you're not gonna have loose ends. I think it's fine to have loose ends, but there are many times when you're drawing stuff that you do want things cleaned up because it cleans up all the lines, you don't have things poking out. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, that's your tip for the day. Two ways to do it, your pencil tool, closing things up, or using your Object Path Join tool, okay? I hope you have a chance to play around with it. Make sure and sign up also for my free Illustrator course. If you're really learning to become a designer, Illustrator is key to doing that, whether you're trying to become a fabric designer, a silhouette designer, an SVG designer, a paper designer, Illustrator is the way to do it. And so make sure and go join and get that free course because that'll help you kind of figure out where you need to be in the journey. And that's on my website at karinagardner.com. Okay, see you guys later.